Hi guys, how are you all of? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I have come to share with you about Vivo company Y21 series mobile. All information, and I will unbox it and show you what things company provides with this mobile. Do please like my video and subscribe my channel because I make always information video for guys you. So guys, let's start the video. Guys, you can see this mobile has battery charge power 5000 mAh and 18-watt fast charge and 4GB plus 1GB extend RAM and RAM 4GB, ROM 64GB, and color, it has color metallic blue, and this mobile is made in China. Guys, I purchased it from City Alganam showroom 46 KT 500 Phillies with offer. It has now special offer for Eid. This is guidebook and it has a beautiful cover with this mobile, very soft and very clear. This is the charger adapter, 18-watt fast charger adapter, very nice quality and a little bit weight with a charging cable. This is a C-type charging cable and also pin for opening SIM card. Company doesn't provide any headphone with this mobile set. See guys, it looks very beautiful, amazing. Audio jack points available, speaker here and charging point. See guys, it's very beautiful. Guys, it has a screen protector also. You don't need to purchase screen protector separately. Company has provided already. So guys, if you get any information from this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel because I make always information video for guys you. So please subscribe, like, comment and share.